I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna get some chicken. I can't wait.
Previously on Doing Black Things. This is sad. I'm watching these videos of people fighting over a damn chicken sandwich. It's a fucking chicken sandwich. Go buy some chicken, put it in a fucking bun or a slice of bread, call it a fucking day. There, chicken sandwich.
Many months later.
Alright. I finally did it. Nigga! Let's see what all these niggers have been fighting about. Hold on, let me get this up. Let me find out why you people have been pulling guns out on each other. Fighting and stuff like that. Alright. This is a big bucking pickle. Alright, hold up. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this. Okay. Here we go. Alright, the pickle's a little much, but alright, let me taste it without the damn pickle. I had that feeling I'd feel that way. Y'all been fighting over this? Every one of you niggers pulled a gun on somebody, fought somebody over this?
Man, this is some bullshit!
It's chicken and bread with a giant pickle. The pickle impressed me more than the sandwich. Y'all some morons. Like I said in the previous video, here's some chicken, here's some bread. You niggers disappoint me. Yes, I'm still eating it because I'm hungry. But that thigh in that box over there, next to the leg and the biscuit, that's what's going to impress me. Speaking of which, you better not got my red beans and rice wrong. Alright, bye. Oh, I forgot to add. The OG Chicken Littles tastes way better than this. Not the new ones, no. The little tiny ones, yes. The little mayonnaise and little chicken. Those taste better than that freaking chicken sandwich. Oh, y'all disappoint me. That's why we can't have nice things.
The next day.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Hello, my fellow N-words and black people and African Americans and all the other races apparently that we are now. Ignore the fact that I'm watching Undercover Brother 2 in the background. Okay, this is not helping. Jesus. So, for all you dumbasses that are losing your mind over these damn Popeyes chicken sandwich, I have here in my hand the solution. For just about less than sanity, you take Popeye's breast or thigh, get yourself some, Hawaiian roll, hamburger buns, some mayonnaise, and look, a chicken sandwich.
Now, how do you like them apples?
So for the rest of you other idiots who haven't figured that out, you're welcome. Now you don't have to get shot over it. To be honest, that tastes better. Okay. Back to this horrible movie. Okay, bye. Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for all the love and support. Make sure you leave a like, and if you're not part of Little Drummer Dude Nation, make sure you subscribe to Little Drummer Dude Vids. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys want, leave a comment down below. I will definitely reply because I love to talk. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see ya!